So sometimes when you're selling a digital product or an ebook or anything that has more than 5 files, you can't put all of those files into your Etsy listing. So I'm just going to show you how I do that. I just put together a mock-up bundle of different Bella and Canvas 3001 men mock-ups. So I'm going to bundle them all up together so that people can either buy them individually in my store, or if they want a big package with all of them, they can save some money, get the whole package. So what I'm going to do is I've got it kind of all set up. I've made a design, as you can see, for my mock-up shop. And then I'm just going to, which I already did, double it. So I duplicated one. I had a package for softball mock-ups, so it was moms wearing caps, things like that, holding clipboards. So that was for if you wanted to be very niche oriented in your mock-ups. So I'm going to change softball mock-ups to say Man Bella mock-ups. And that's just for my own reference, so I know what's hiding in here. Now I have it linked in 2 different places. So you're just going to click on here and you're going to go to edit link, or if there was no link, oops, what did I do? I deleted the whole thing. If there was no link, so let's say we're just going to delete the link. So now there's no link here. So you're just going to click on this and you're going to add a link, and I'm going to enter the link, and I've already got it saved. So in my Google Drive folder, I'm going to go to share, and then from there I change this from restricted to anyone with the link, and I'm going to click copy link. So now I'm going to go back to the bundle. Where did it go? Man t-shirt mock-ups. Whole shop bundle. There we go. Okay, so I've copied the link, and now I'm going to paste it in the box right there. Done. So now this thing is as a linkable item as well as here, and this is probably more likely the one they'll click because I've made it say click here. Now for some reason I always find the old links really hard to delete, so we're just gonna delete that by hand, put in the new link. Done. Right. Okay, so now if someone clicks on this, it brings them straight to my Man Bella 3001 mock-up bundle that they can use for their t-shirt sales. And we're going to export that. So it's number 23. I'm going to export it by saying share, download, and you're going to want to choose, and I had it kind of ready to go, you're going to want to choose PDF standard. So click PDF standard. Don't worry about any of this. You're going to download it like that. And it's going to become a PDF sheet that I can I can actually put into my listing in the digital sections. And it looks like this. So they'll open that up from their digital thing, and then they'll be able to click, and again, brings them to the mock-up bundle. So that's the way that you share larger files if you're looking to share large digital files on Etsy. So what I'm going to do is I've got it